Which organelle is known as the powerhouse of the cell? Mitochondria. Which tissue connects muscles to bones? Tendons. Which organ is part of both the respiratory and digestive systems? Pharynx. Which part of the brain controls balance and coordination? Cerebellum. Hormones are secreted by which system? Endocrine. What is the time from fertilization to birth called? Gestation. Which of the following is a behavioral adaptation? Hibernation. The webbed feet of ducks help them swim. Which disease is caused by a virus? Influenza. Which nutrient helps build body tissues? Proteins. Which order of mammals lays eggs and feeds milk to their young? Monotremata. Which bone is also known as the shin bone or shank bone? Tibia. Which is the second most abundant mineral in the human body? Phosphorus. What is the full form of DNA? Deoxyribonucleic acid. Which valve is located between the right atrium and right ventricle? Tricuspid valve. What is the study of cancer called? Oncology. Who discovered blood circulation? William Harvey. Which one of the below is not a dental tissue? Incisor. What is the scientific study of muscles called? Myology. How many bones are there in a giraffe's neck? 7.